This video will go over the App Suite Connect feature found in Toyota's new Intune 3.0 multimedia systems. Having a great selection of applications is a key ingredient in the Intune formula, and with Intune 3.0, this gets better than ever. Now called Intune 3.0 App Suite Connect, this system enables head unit integration with various applications through a connected mobile device and is now integrated into all three head units: Intune 3.0 Audio, Intune 3.0 Audio Plus, and Intune 3.0 Premium Audio. Additionally, you no longer need to register a unique Intune account before getting started. Although you will still need to install the Intune 3.0 App Suite Connect and Scout GPS Link mobile apps, which can both be found on the App Store on iOS devices and the Google Play Store for Android devices. Once the device is paired to the vehicle over Bluetooth, you're ready to begin taking advantage of some great Intune 3.0 App Suite Connect features. Intune 3.0 App Suite Connect can be accessed either through the Apps button on the head unit faceplate or the Apps icon in the Intune 3.0 touchscreen home menu. In here, you can see all the apps you currently have available, as well as an app catalog button which opens a menu where you can add, rearrange, and even hide apps as needed. You can undo any of these changes by selecting Reset, also within the app catalog menu. Rearranging can also be done through the connected Intune App Suite mobile app. Additionally, with Intune 3.0, all these apps now share the same clean and modern design language, as well as the same intuitive user interface. That means that if you know your way around one app, you know your way around them all. Let's go over some of the apps in detail. First, you have the music streaming apps you already know and love: Pandora, iHeartRadio, and Slacker. These all deliver a near endless assortment of high-quality personalized music options. Just bear in mind that many third-party services have their own account systems, and you'll still need to sign in to your account for that particular app. Your Intune login credentials won't work. Now, new in Intune 3.0 App Suite Connect is NPR One, an audio streaming service offering 24-hour access to public radio news, stories, and podcasts. Next, we have Yelp, which provides details and reviews of local businesses like restaurants and retail stores. Intune 3.0 App Suite Connect has a fuel app that locates nearby gas stations and even provides up-to-date fuel pricing. The traffic and weather apps also provide current, localized information, and in Intune 3.0 Premium Audio units, receive data from HD radio with weather and traffic. Need to check the score of that game going on? Or see how your stock prices are doing today? Well, Intune 3.0 App Suite Connect has you covered for those as well, thanks to the sports and stocks apps. On Intune 3.0 Audio and Audio Plus head units, the Scout GPS Link with Map Stream and Turn Stream is available, which provides full navigation functionality, including turn-by-turn directions when paired over Bluetooth and full moving maps when connected via USB and Bluetooth. Now, within the setup menu, scroll down to the Intune App Suite tab. In here, there are a few options you can customize. First is Data Usage Message, which allows you to specify the frequency of the cellular data warning message. Auto Detect iPhone app, which automatically launches the Intune App Suite mobile app on your iPhone upon connecting to the vehicle. And Connect USB in Enhanced mode, which enables additional features in select apps when the mobile device is connected via USB rather than Bluetooth. Finally, you can also access the app catalog menu from this screen. And that's it. That's a scoop on Intune 3.0 App Suite Connect.